Hi, it's Dr. Windsor again, and I thought we would look at Reggienet for a second. I'm going to be posting a lot of your um, homework and resources in here, and so I thought I would make two videos, one about the resources and one about posting in the discussion forum. So this is about the resources. As you can see, here we are in Reggienet. I'm in Math 113. Notice over here we have the announcements. I'll be posting announcements from time to time. I won't post announcements every day because I don't feel like bugging you to death. Plus we have Remind for announcements. We also have emails, so I'm not going to be posting announcements all the time, maybe once a week. But anyway, let's get into this. So if you're looking over here, right here, I've got the resources. And so let's click on that. You see it's over here on the left. I'll click on the resources. And notice in here I've got the weeks. Let's look at the week 1 material here. In the week 1 material, I have a document. I have the documents in Word and in PDF. So whatever works best for your computer, that's great. So this one is about, this one contains the problems from the textbook that you can choose from to do your discussion. These documents here are the discussion instructions as it's named. Here's the syllabus. Take time to read it. I put in a quick start for you because I know that like when I buy a new TV or a new piece of software, computer, whatever. Sorry, I don't buy stuff very often. But when I do, I like those quick start instructions so I can start using my new material, my new computer, my new TV, whatever, right away. So I'm trying to get you guys into the class with as little pain as possible. This here is the Remind invite. Again, I use the Remind app, and it allows me to send you messages via text, but I don't know your phone number, so it keeps our privacy. It allows you to send me messages and questions about the homework and requests to meet. Again, I don't know your phone number, you don't know mine, so it's a great way to communicate. It comes right to my phone. I usually answer them fairly quickly, just as I would any text. And then this is how to register for the online platform. I don't know if it's called My Math Lab or My Lab. They change it from year to year. But again, you're going to need to register to use the online textbook. And we're going to talk about that in a bit. I'll make you a third video. I know you're liking my videos. I can tell. You're sitting there going, "Ugh." Anyway, so resources is where we're going to be. Just another real quick thing is, notice down here, welcome video. I'm going to put in some videos. I'll put in the welcome video is already in. There'll be this video and then a couple of more, and those are just to help you get into the class. Okay, so that's, again, resources, good place to find your stuff. Every week I'll be putting in new material, including problems for discussion posts, and any other thing that I can find to help you have a smooth week. So, okay, if you have questions, please send them to me via email or the Remind app. All right, signing off.